You don't necessarily need a big, hefty kitchen appliance like a wall oven to do the heavy lifting in the kitchen. The right countertop models can churn out all the power you need to complete a wide range of cooking tasks, from toasting and roasting to baking and broiling. Plus, they require a lot less power than traditional ovens, which makes them much more energy efficient. To determine which of the most popular models are truly the best, we tested and rated them on performance, ease of use, features, and more. There are many products available to choose the best ovens for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best ovens for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Oster Extra Large Digital Countertop Convection Oven. Though countertop ovens are generally more energy efficient than wall ovens or oven stove combinations, this particular model uses an extra impressive 50% less energy, while still giving you great results. In our tests, it cooked a juicy meatloaf in just 45 minutes, compared to an hour in a standard oven. Size is usually the big disadvantage of a countertop oven over a traditional one, but the Oster Extra Large truly lives up to its name. It can accommodate two 16-inch pizzas, 18 slices of bread, seriously. Or, as we discovered, a full family-size chicken. It has a maximum temperature setting of 450 degrees, and its 90-minute timer automatically turns the oven off in case you get distracted. It's easy to use, thanks to convenient digital settings for baking, broiling, toasting, and defrosting. There's also a dedicated pizza function, as well as a warming feature to keep food hot while the rest of your meal cooks. We were particularly fond of the glass door, since it offers a large view window to let you see what's cooking without having to open the oven, but it is a bit delicate. Another feature we adored is how easy it is to clean. The control panel is entirely digital, so there are no dials, knobs, or crevices to collect dirt and grease. The bottom line is, any family would be hard-pressed to find a more spacious option with higher efficiency. Number 2. Breville Smart Oven Pro Toaster Oven. Though you'll pay a hefty price for this countertop oven, it's well worth the money. The 1,800 watts of power and optional convection heating help to roast meat, toast bread, and bake in less time than traditional countertop ovens. The smart heating system provides more consistent power, so your food is cooked to perfection each time. Altogether, this model boasts 9 different preset cooking functions, including a slow cook option that can cook food for up to 10 hours. This machine has an interior light that automatically turns on when the door is open, and it even comes with a baking and broiling tray, as well as a non-stick pizza pan. If you're worried about this multifunctional oven looking clunky in your kitchen, we found the stainless steel exterior attractive, and it has an unexpectedly low profile that makes the appliance look sleek and modern, not bulky. Plus, you could always opt for the mini version if you're short on space. Number 3. Brava Oven Starter Set. We found that we could also cook 2 different dishes at different temperatures at the same time, which quickly became a favorite feature. The oven has 3 zones, each with 2 lamps that can be customized individually and really can maintain separate temperatures in separate zones. Another big highlight for us was the custom cook function. You can essentially create your own cooking presets, which help the oven learn your household's culinary preferences. Brava's compatible app is helpful for sharing recipes with friends via text or social media. You can download custom meal programs from the user library, and your phone will notify you before cooking is complete. Lastly, we found that customer service is quick with answering any questions, plus there's a Facebook group for additional support. Number 4. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. Breville makes all kinds of technologically advanced countertop kitchen equipment, and it's no surprise our list includes more than one of the brand's models. The Smart Oven Air Fryer adds air frying capacity to all the many functions of the standard smart oven we feature above, with an accordingly increase in price. After testing, we named the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer one of our top picks for air fryers, and it's also a top pick for countertop ovens. We found that it did a great job with both oven functions, including baking cookies, and air fryer functions, such as making incredible French fries. The machine can fit a 13-inch pizza, 9 slices of bread, or almost an entire bag of frozen fries. We were impressed by how easy it is to clean, with a removable crumb tray and fully disassembled parts that all clean off with a simple rinse or wipe. Another nice feature is its many color options, which will match any kitchen. Just be careful with the door. Its glass gets quite hot while in use. After 1 month of continuous use, we can report that this machine is still in prime condition and performs above expectation. It's taken on everything from simple toasted bread to air-fried Brussels sprouts, mozzarella sticks, and homemade chicken nuggets. Everything has turned out deliciously crispy and golden brown. Plus, the controls are so easy to use, even the kids can throw in their breakfast bagel, set it, and let it do its thing. Number 5. Gallons GTWHG 12S1SA10 4-in-1 ToastWave may be small, but the Gallons Countertop ToastWave Convection Oven is actually 4 useful appliances in one handy package. This microwave convection oven, air fryer, and toaster oven is the perfect solution to small kitchen woes with a budget-friendly price at boot. The microwave has an inverter and sensor to both cook and heat foods quicker and more evenly than competing models, and it can also defrost and broil dishes. You can perfectly cook toast and grilled cheeses to your liking, light, medium, or dark with a toaster oven setting, and the true convection allows you to cook your favorite recipes or enjoy baked goods. The air fryer allows you to fry dishes with little to no oil, and it even comes with an air fry kit which is super easy to clean. There are 11 power levels, and the display shows the clock and cooking time. The appliance comes ready to use straight out of the box, with no assembly required, and the instructions are straightforward. Also included is a silicone cooking mat and a silicone-based, non-Teflon, non-stick turntable tray. That's all my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.